How everybody doing out there? So today is a very special day. We're going to be doing a tribute to my mother-in-law, Jean Leonard. Her and John Leonard, my father-in-law, they actually started Sidetrack Tobacco back in 1981. That's actually 44 years ago. But today is a very special day because Wednesday of this week is my mother-in-law's birthday. She will be 95 years old. So I just want to show her a little love, because if it wasn't for my mother-in-law and my father-in-law John, everything that me and my wife have been doing, keeping the legacy alive and stuff with Sidetrack Tobacco, it wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for her. Bless my mother, my blood mother, which is Pearl Jones. May she rest in peace. I lost her a few years ago, but whenever my mother wasn't around, Jean, she basically took the place. But she didn't replace my mother, but she was there and she treated me just like the son that she never had. So I miss my mother so much, and right now I'm also missing Jean. A lot of people know that she's right now in a nursing home, but I just want to say thank you, Jean, for everything that you've done for me and my family, and I want to say happy 95th birthday to you. And like I said, none of this would be possible if it wasn't for you. Here I got one of our logos really dedicated to Jean and John. As you guys see, the JFL stands for my father-in-law's name, and the JEL stands for my mother-in-law's name. All right, so thank you, Jean, so much for everything you've done for me and my family. And I want to say happy 95th birthday, and we have some other people that would like to say happy birthday to you as well. So
Hey Gene, this is Ron over at Sidetrack Tobacco. I want to wish you a happy 95th birthday. We love you, girl, and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Gene. This is Tom at Sidetrack Tobacco. 95. I'm impressed. Happy birthday.
My name's Daryl, and I want to wish you a happy birthday. Happy 95.
Happy birthday, Granny.
Happy birthday, Granny.
Hope you have a great one. We love ya. See ya.
soon.
Hi Gene, this is Brian Kelsey and Renegade here at Sidetrack Tobacco. We're wishing you a happy 95th birthday and many more to come. Have a great day.
Hello Gene, this is Brad Tate. I normally would be at the shop right now, smoking my favorite cigar and having a good time with Poppy and Chris and Melissa, but I'm working the race right now. But I wanted to take time out to tell you to have a wonderful, great 95th birthday. Happy birthday, Gene. We love you.
Hey Gene, it's your old buddy Drew that you used to bully at the cigar shop. Happy birthday. I always enjoyed getting bullied by you. Have a great day.
Hello, Miss Jean. This is Renee, Chris' sister. I just want to say happy 95th birthday, and I hope you have many, many more. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mom. I hope you have a good day today. I appreciate all you have done. Love you.
Hi, Granny. Hope you are having a great day. Happy 95th birthday. That's crazy, isn't it? Hope you have an amazing day. We love ya. Bye.
Mama. Just wanted to wish you a happy 95th birthday. And thank you for allowing me to be able to spend 58 wonderful birthdays with you. I want to thank you for being the best mother, the best friend, the best guidance counselor, all over the best mother I could ever ask for. You know, I always say that you're my favorite mommy, but no one would ever, ever, ever be able to take your place. I want you to know that I have so many memories of us together. I have memories of you going on all of my band trips with me, all of my Navy, or some of my Navy trips, all the packages and love that you sent while on deployments. Same thing with Chris. You always supported him as well. And CJ. We have so many stories together of things that we talked about with CJ. I think your favorite one was when he got the football caught up in his t-shirt and couldn't find the ball. What a great memory, and something we'll never forget. I'm also very blessed to have gone on so many vacations with you. We've gone to the beach, we've gone to Pigeon Forge, gone to Gatlinburg, we've gone to Cherokee, we've gone on a cruise together. And I'll cherish every one of those moments for the rest of my life. You know, you are my world. And I'm getting ready to get emotional, so just wanted to say that I love you very, very much. And I thank you for giving me life and for always being there by my side through thick and thin. I know I've made mistakes in my life, and you have always been beside me, and you've never judged. You've always taught me to be the best person that I can be, and I strive to do that every day. I hope you're as proud of me as I am of you. I love you so very much, and I hope this is the best day. Love you, Mama.